How should you use the Dewy Herbal Cleanser? Well, it's very, very easy. I always suggest, number one, pull your hair away from your face because anything that is oil on your hair, you don't want that coming on your face ever. And always use a new washcloth if you're a washcloth girl, but you're going to take a very small little pump, and these are airless pumps. You're going to take a very small little pump and you're going to take that and go all over the face, and you can have dampness on the face when you start, and then it'll very mildly suds. You can go through the makeup, you can go up on your neck. You want to make sure that you have got everything cleansed because you also are going to have a little bit of an exfoliating effect because of the pineapple enzyme. And it is going to be a soft, gentle cleanser that's going to be pH balanced, and it's going to leave the moisture on your skin because there's no emulsifiers. This cleanser will unleash the magic and empower the glow.